that's the problem, isn't it? I mean, Mr. Bhimani, the Indian Boxing Federation is in tatters. They are not taken seriously at the international level right now, which is such a pity because our boxers are world beaters. They are among the best in the world. Yet, you know, at this Asiad, for example, there's not a single Indian official who's actually officiating there, not a referee, not an official, not a judge, nothing, because of the Indian Boxing Federation being de-recognized right now. And doesn't that add to, you know, the fact that there's a certain country which the officials know is not really taken so seriously. We know boxing is susceptible to extremely dodgy judgments. It's happened in the past. That hurts the athletes and the boxers even more because they know there isn't a strong federation backing them.
Tina, my point is the same again. They may not be the association backing them. The Indian Olympic Association is an umbrella body. They realize that here is a medal hope. Even if she wasn't a medal hope, she's an athlete who staked everything in life in doing that. She deserves support. Today, the support should come from the senior members of the Indian Olympic Association, who are so fond of junkets and shopping trips, which I have seen over the years and years. Instead of being by the ringside and saying, as I repeat, the few sports in which we have had this kind of support, people will miss their meals, people will miss their any other entertainment, and be there by the side of that player. And this is what we should have done. I remember this in the Munich Olympics. I remember this in the Moscow Olympics. What happens? Everyone is out on their own, and here is one boxer fighting. Or there is some wrestler. I remember a wrestler, poor chap, didn't know a word of English. And he was किसी से बात करे, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता क्या कहते हैं. You know, this kind of thing goes on, and we desperately need better help. What, as you rightly said in the beginning, what really was needed was somebody to counsel her and said, okay, we'll take it up. Yeah. And let's call a spade a spade. The South Korean boxing has had so many controversies that it is unbelievable. For 3 judges to be banned for life. For this particular thing, American versus South Korean, 86 punches landed versus 32 punches landed. The whole world said he had lost. But it was, and then they suspend the person in 1997. 88 were the games. 11 years later, they suspend the judges. What is the poor man may be dead by then. Poor Sarita may be without money, without a job, because IOA is not going to look after
Bhimani,
for sure.
Mr. Bhimani, going back to Nisha Millett and Captain Mohan here. Nisha, you know, this girl, Sarita Devi, is senior to Mary Kom. She has been participating and winning gold for the country at Asian and World Boxing Championships since 2003. 2001, in fact. 13 years. She is no rookie. She is a veteran here. Yeah. She deserves respect. But the fact is, for her to do what she did and then do this turnaround, somebody has to take the blame, and it should not be Sarita Devi. It has to be one of the officials.
In fact, no, she's not. We haven't even heard an official statement from the IOA saying we support her, we're going to be behind her. You know, we've heard OGQ, you know, the Olympic Gold Quest, who supports her, have come out with, you know, money, incentives, you know, further money being put into her future training. But, you know, the IOA, the President, Mr. Ramachandran, we need to hear from them. What are you going to do for one of India's sporting heroes, you know? If a cricketer, you know, say Sachin Tendulkar had to face a similar fate in some way, some kind of cheating in cricket, you know, everybody would be up in arms, you know, the BCCI, everybody would be behind them, you know. But where is the IOA? This is why sports is not going anywhere in our country, because the IOA really doesn't care, and there is no, like you said, no boxing federation. So at that point of time, they all need to step in and support this girl. And, you know, it's a bronze medal match. There's no chance of her not winning a medal, you know. At the very least, she would have won a bronze medal that day. So they should have been there, there should have been support. And
Nisha, just going across to Captain Mohan on that, as Mr. Bhimani was pointing out and Nisha has just reiterated, there may not be a boxing federation or a boxing federation official there, but there was the IOA. Yeah. There's someone as senior as the Secretary of the Olympic Council of Asia, Mr. Randhir Singh, whom we all know, extremely senior in the Indian sports administration scenario, who was present. There was a reaction from him, but why such a delayed reaction? It came much later when he came out with a statement saying, yes, we will officially launch a protest, we'll look into the issue. But when the entire scenario was unfolding, when Sarita Devi was crying foul, when she came out with her husband and spoke to the media and said, I'm not going to accept this medal, I'm going to give it to that girl, where was Randhir Singh then?
No, Tina, you are absolutely right. I agree with my friend Kishore. It's all about how strong the federation is. And like all other speakers have mentioned, the federation presently is in disarray. And because of that, the support staff is not there. This is, at a time like this, the IOA must step in and say, listen, we are there to support this boxer who is definitely a medal prospect. And then we must also get people from
Yes.
other disciplines. When the match is going on, I've seen it so many times. People from other disciplines also come to cheer. They come to cheer, they come to support. And that is what the IOA people are there for. They should get all these people together, create a potent force, potent support staff, and then that's how it works. You can't leave a player on his own or on her own to face the music. That's not on.
No, and not just that, राजकुमार सांगवान, जो रिपोर्ट्स आई हैं उसमें ये कहा गया है कि सरिता देवी आईओए ऑफिशियल्स के पास गई आज ये बोल के कि आप मेरा करियर बचा लीजिए, मैं मेडल रखने को तैयार हूं। उसके बाद आईओए ऑफिशियल्स ने कहा ठीक है, हम ओसीए से गुहार करते हैं। Even then, the officials have not initiated the process. The officials have not told Sarita Devi, don't take a decision like this, apologize, even if it is token, even if you don't agree, because you have to save your career and the career of the other boxers. The athlete had to go ahead and think in the interest of the boxers.
जी देखिए कि इससे आप अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि कितना सीरियस है हमारी इंडियन ओलंपिक एसोसिएशन, हमारी दूसरी एसोसिएशन, हमारे जितना मिनिस्ट्री का स्टाफ वहां पे गया है, आपकी उसकी सीरियसनेस आपको दिखाई देती है, पूरे हिंदुस्तान को दिखाई दे रही है, पूरे एशिया को दिखाई दे रही है। अगर ऐसे ही सीरियस हमारे ऑफिशियल्स रहेंगे, हमारी आईओए रहेगी, तो आप देख सकते हैं कि हम खेलों में कितने महाशक्ति बन सकते हैं, कितने अच्छे प्रभाव से हम अपना बात को आगे रख सकते हैं। तो हमेशा से ये होता है, स्पेशली जब हमारे आईओए को भी, फेडरेशन को भी, जितने सभी को पता है कि ये बॉक्सिंग के अंदर कंट्रोवर्सी सबसे ज्यादा होती है, क्योंकि उसके अंदर आपका जो स्कोरिंग सिस्टम होता है, जैसे पहले बताया 1986 में कोरिया में स्पेशली 12 आउट ऑफ 12 के 12 वेट कैटेगरी के अंदर कोरियन ने गोल्ड मेडल जीते थे। काफी कंट्रोवर्सी हुई थी उस समय भी, और यही होने की नौबत हमारे साथ ओलंपिक्स में हुई और अब एशियन गेम्स में हुई। अगर उस बात को भी सीरियसली ना लेके, अगर हमारे ऑफिशियल्स, हमारी आईओए, अगर एथलीट को, खुद सरिता देवी को, जो एक इतनी वेटरन एथलीट हैं, जो वर्ल्ड चैंपियन रही हैं, हर जगह से उन्होंने मेडल दिया है देश को, अगर उनको ये सोचना पड़ेगा तो हमारे जो टैलेंट उभर के आएगा, हिंदुस्तान के जितने एक युवा मुक्केबाज हैं, उनके माइंड पे क्या असर पड़ेगा, वो क्या सोचेंगे इसके बारे में और उनका कितना भला कर सकती है। तो ये समय देश को बदलने का है। मैं आग्रह करूंगा हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर से और हमारी मिनिस्ट्री से कि कम से कम एक बार आपको स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेप लेना होगा। हमारे सिस्टम को बदलना बहुत जरूरी है। जब तक इन्वॉल्वमेंट स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन की फेडरेशंस के अंदर, आईओए के अंदर नहीं रहेगी, तब तक मुझे नहीं लगता कि कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है। हमारे इतने अच्छे एथलीट, इतने अच्छे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर हमारे अब स्पोर्ट्स के अंदर हैं। वो पहले वाला टाइम नहीं है कि खाली 10th पास लोग मैक्सिमम होते थे, आर्मी पर्सन होते थे। आज पहले भी बहुत अच्छे होते थे, लेकिन अब वो संख्या ज्यादा बढ़ चुकी है। तो अब उनको बिल्कुल चेंज करके आगे लेके आना पड़ेगा।
But Mr. Sangwan, यही तो बात है that you know, despite the system, despite what's happening with the administration, our athletes are going out there and doing such great things on international stages. Mr. Bhimani, very important point that Mr. Sangwan mentioned there. You know, such a veteran athlete, such a veteran boxer like Sarita Devi. Others also were talking about her earlier. I mean, she is as much as a pedigreed boxer as Americom, if not more. Those who follow boxing, those who've been watching over the years, know that for some reason fate may not have upheld the level or the caliber or the prowess she actually has, but she has it. She's always a medal prospect. She's always a gold medal prospect. And if someone like her, of her stature, is going to be subject to this kind of complete disdain and apathy, what's going to happen to the others who are trying to get a foothold in the game?
If you talk to any of the athletes, they'll tell you that they don't feel they are being supported by the IOA at all. The Indian Olympic Association has never given this feeling They live in five-star hotels and to keep these people in the... I've seen it time and again in the village. They are left without any support system. May I just give you one very quick example of how other countries deal with situations like this. 1968, Mexico City, there was a very famous Olympic Games most notorious scandal of Tommy Smith and John Carlos going on the podium and giving the Black Power salute. Now, obviously, they had to be disqualified. I met John Carlos. I came to know him very well. He came to Munich. He was leading the Black Power movement. And he told me something very interesting. He said the United States Olympic Association, what it did is, it admitted that they had done wrong. It admitted that this would be done. But they told the IOC, the International Olympic Committee, we will deal with them. We will discipline them. They are making Olympics into a thing for a political statement or whatever it was, a human rights statement. But they did not allow IOC to do this. They said, we will suspend them. And he said they was proud of the fact that he apologized to the the Olympic Association for the particular event.
Correct.
And the fact remained that of course served its purpose. But today your association must make you feel that they are behind you.
Mr. Bhimani, there is no association. That's the irony of it all. In boxing, there is no federation. For 2 years, the athletes have been in limbo. They've been training on their own. They have the drive to do well for the country.
Never mind.
So that is why they're in a position they are right now.
IOA today gets so many. IOA gets so many benefits from this. They have the power.
Mr. Bhimani, the IOA, like you said, they care more about their positions. They don't care about the athletes. Half the people sitting there didn't even know the difference between a jab and a hook.
Always.
What will they know about whether that bout should have been won by Sarita Devi or not? That's the irony. You know, yes, Captain Mohan.
Just, I want to mention a small thing here. Recently, there was an incident in one of the World Championships where one of the Indian players was subjected to some harassment by a particular player.
Right.
This player was a 7 times world billiard champion. The Indian Federation fought and got him suspended for 2 years. And this happened to a 7 times world champion. And this is how a strong federation can react.
That's exactly the point. Yes, exactly, Mr. Bhimani. I see you responding to what he's saying.
Mind you, this incident took place not during a match. It was after a match when they are having dinner.
Well, see, there you go. I mean, that's called standing up for your athlete, Mr. Bhimani. You were responding to that. You know, you've talked about how well run Captain Mohan's association is. Yeah.
You see, I've seen Captain Mohan since he took over, and today people like Pankaj Advani and some of the others, a couple of the young new players who've come up, I've talked to them. I love this sport. And they have told me, you know, we get so much support from the association. Mind you, not money. It's not that. It's supposed to be people like Captain Mohan and others who will say, come on, I'm with you. Oh, will you come with me? A player is a young player. He's not used to the world atmosphere. And somebody goes with him, makes him feel good. Today, that's so important, and it doesn't happen in our Olympic Games. And my heart goes out to somebody like Sarita and says, my God, what did we do? Here is a woman who will never be the same again.
Not just that, Nisha Millet.
So,
you know,
Anand,
somebody... Nisha, coming to you only.
Something actually... Yeah,
you know, you're making a point, but just add on and say, you've been a seasoned athlete. You know what the do's and don'ts are, even if there is no official to, be around you. Sarita Devi, 13 years, a veteran in boxing. Something in her snapped, didn't it? That's the issue.
Yeah.
Why did it snap?
Definitely, if you saw her
Why did it snap?
If you saw... It's, you know, I think it's two things. One was the frustration of the match, and one was being totally alone when he should have had that support. And, you know, what I can say is after all this, you know, this whole event now is pretty much done with. I just hope that in the future our athletes don't have to go through the same thing where they feel so, you know, alone, so frustrated that they actually have to, you know, I mean, even a bronze medal is a great honor for the country, which, I mean, sure, later she would have realized. But she was so, in that moment of despair when no one's there to support her, she actually gave up that bronze medal. In Asian Games bronze medal, some people work all their lives and don't get. So I hope that in the future, at least this incident has taught us, or at least taught the IOA and the federations, that they need to be there in full force.
Yes.
They need to be watching and they need to be behind the athlete 100%. So I hope there's some good that comes out of this whole incident.
Yes, and Sarita Devi is a hero. She should come back and she should be welcomed and not criticized. It's the officials who need to learn a lesson. Nisha Millett and all our other guests, thanks for joining us on this debate.